You are going to love the 2014 Yukon. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, chrome wheels, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, roof rack, electronic stability control. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, Sirius satellite radio, ventilated front seats, adjustable pedals, security system, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.